Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to understand about syntax in Python. Okay. And you can say that from here actually we are starting actual Python. Okay. So today's topic is syntax, right? So let's try to understand in simple way. So first of all, let's try to define its definition. Okay. So as you can see that syntax means set of rules to write code. Okay, what is the meaning of set of rules to write code? Okay, so to understand this meaning, okay, let's try to understand with an example. Okay, and we will take example of simple thing. Okay, let's say let's take example in English. Okay, which is the human language. Okay, just try to connect computer language to human language. Okay, so so you know that human language is used to communicate between two person. Okay, so conversation with someone. Okay, so let's say you are saying that, hey, I want to eat something. Okay, so let's say you are saying in English that I want to I want to eat something, right? Right. I want to eat something. So this is a sentence of English, right? This is a sentence of English, and it contains a meaning. This is a sentence of English and it contains a meaning. Okay. But let's say if I change the order of this word, okay, let's say we write a to want, I eat something. Okay. So what I have done here is that we just rearrange the word. Okay. So now question is that, do you think that it gives any meaning? Okay. Or even if it gives meaning, do you think that this is the this is the sentence, and this the both are similar sentence? To be honest, first question is that, okay, do you think that this is a similar sentence? No, because the meaning of this sentence has been totally changed, or even it is meaningless sentence, to be honest, because there is no such sentence in English even. It might be that sometimes even if you rearrange the word, it might there will be some meaning. But of course, if you rearrange the word, it might be that mostly either meaning has been changed or there is meaningless sentence. Okay, so what I want to say that what I want to say that so whatever we speak in English, okay, there are some arrangement of words. Okay, arrangement of words, or there are some grammar. Okay, if you say in proper way, okay, there is some grammar in English that we have to, sorry, we have to follow. And if you don't follow that rule, that sentence will give meaningless meaning, or whatever we want to say, it may be that we want to say something else and meaning is something different, right? So it can happen. So totally what I want to say that, so grammar is the rule of any language. Here let's say, if you talk, here you are talking about English, so grammar we have to learn. Okay, and in grammar we learn about rules. Okay, rules means how to make a sentence, okay, in English, and we have to follow that grammar to to actually speak anything, right? And if you don't follow that rules, meaning will be nothing. So that is the meaning of rules. Okay, or we can say rules with grammar. Okay, and there are a lot of things in grammar, like we learn tenses, we learn narration, and we also learn some arrangement of words. Okay, because it might be that, hey, we don't put this word before this word. Okay, there are some many types of grammar in English, right? And that grammar means a rule we have to follow. I hope you are able to understand. So similarly in Python, okay, there is a rule. Okay, you can't write random code. Okay, you can't write random. There are some rules, and you have to follow that rules to uh, to to write your code. And if you don't follow the rule of Python, it may be that you are not able to communicate with your computer. It will give error because there is no meaning. If there is no meaning, then how can computer understand your words, or whatever you want to tell to computer to perform? Computer will not understand. So that is the Python. Okay, that is the syntax. Syntax helps you to write code within their rules, within their Python rules. And if you are writing code according to the Python rules, it means that your code will run, and computer will perform any action according to your written code. I hope you are getting my point, right? And similarly, so so now again let's come to the English grammar, okay, or English syntax or English rule, okay. So let's say whatever rules you learn in English, okay, same rules can't be applied in other language. For example, if you have learned that, hey, I want to eat something, okay, so if you convert this every word into Hindi, okay, so it might be that if you directly convert, like let's say if you convert I to मैं, okay, want to चाहना, okay, so if you convert like this, okay, so it will not give any meaning, because the rules that you have written for any sentence, it may not work for other language, or it may be Hindi or Sanskrit or Chinese or Spanish. Okay, every language has own grammar. Getting my point? Same thing happens with Python. Okay, every language has own grammar. Python has own syntax, or you can say own rules. C language has own syntax. Java has own syntax or own rules, and you have to, if you want to write code in Java, you have to follow the rules of Java. And if you know the rules of Python, that will not work in Java. But but common thing is that whatever things you want to write, okay, meaning will not be changed in any language. Let's say if you are writing code in Java or Python, meaning will be same, but syntax or rule will be only be changed. Just like, let's say if you want to say in English, I want to eat something, right? In Hindi, only word will be changed, but meaning will be same. Let's say if you want to convert, I want to eat something, so in Hindi it will be मैं मैं कुछ खाना चाहता हूँ, है ना? So meaning is same, but word is changed. I hope you are getting my point, what I want to take. Similarly, in Python or in computer language, what happens that only syntax rules will be changed, but meaning, whatever code you will be writing, meaning will be same in either you write in Java or Python or C or any language, right? So that is the syntax. So let's revise what is syntax. Okay, syntax means a rule, a set of rules to write code. Okay, rules, just like a, just like we have a grammar in every language. Okay, in grammar of English is different than grammar of Hindi, or grammar of Sanskrit, or grammar of Chinese, right? Those similarly, that is the thing. And same thing happens with computer language. Grammar of Python will be different, or syntax of Python will be different than syntax of C or syntax of Java. All will be different. But the common thing is that meaning, whatever you want to speak in English or in Hindi, only words will be changed, but meaning will be same. Same thing happens with Python or Java. So whatever things you will be writing, okay, whatever codes you will be writing, only syntax will be changed, but meaning will be same. I hope you are getting my point. And that's it for this video. And again, we will meet in another video. Thank you.